In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the user interface color in Adobe Illustrator. If you spend a lot of time designing, adjusting the interface brightness can make a huge difference in how comfortable Illustrator feels to use. Some people prefer a darker interface because it reduces eye strain, while others like a lighter interface, so the panels and tools feel clearer and easier to read. The good news is that Illustrator lets you switch between several interface brightness options in just a few seconds. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to apply it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly change Illustrator's interface from dark to light, or anything in between. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Illustrator tips and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right into Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once Illustrator is open, look at the top menu bar of the application. What we want to do is access the Preferences panel, because that's where Illustrator keeps most of its interface customization settings. To do that, go to the top menu and click on Edit. When the Edit drop-down menu opens, scroll down toward the bottom of the list until you see Preferences. Hover over Preferences and another menu will appear showing different preference categories. From this list, click on User Interface. As soon as you click User Interface, Illustrator will open the Preferences window with the interface settings visible. This is the section where you can control how Illustrator looks and feels while you're working. Now look for the section labeled Brightness. This is the key area that controls the color of the Illustrator interface. In this section, you'll see 4 small color boxes arranged from dark to light. These represent the 4 interface brightness options that Illustrator provides. The first option is the dark interface. This is the darkest theme and is very popular among designers who work long hours because it reduces glare and helps artwork stand out more against the background. The second option is medium dark. This still gives you a dark interface, but it's slightly lighter than the darkest theme, which some people find more balanced. The third option is medium light. This starts moving toward a brighter interface while still keeping some contrast in the panels and menus. Finally, the fourth option is light. This is the brightest interface setting, and it makes Illustrator look more similar to traditional light-themed software layouts. To change the interface color, simply click on the box that represents the brightness level you prefer. As soon as you select one of these boxes, Illustrator will preview the change in the background so you can see how the interface will look. This makes it easy to quickly compare the different themes and choose the one that feels best for your workflow. Once you've chosen the interface color you want, go to the bottom of the Preferences window and click OK. As soon as you click OK, Illustrator will apply the new interface brightness across the entire workspace. Your panels, menus, and background will now match the theme you selected. If you ever want to change it again, you can simply return to Edit, go to Preferences, open User Interface, and pick a different brightness level at any time. Many designers actually switch between dark and light themes depending on the project they're working on or the lighting conditions in their workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the user interface color in Adobe Illustrator. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.